The 1995 South Africa 5 Rand coin is one of those coins that collectors quietly search for while beginners often overlook it. Today we are going to uncover the real story behind this coin. Its design, its history, its market demand, and most importantly the truth about its claimed value of $863 million. Stay with me because what you are about to learn might completely change how you look at your coin collection. Let us begin with the basics. This coin was issued in 1995 by South Africa. The obverse side features the national coat of arms. This design represents unity and strength. The inscription EX UNITATE VIRES means unity is strength. It is a powerful national motto. The initials ALS refer to the designer Arthur L Sutherland. His work on South African coinage is respected among collectors for its clean and symbolic style. Now turn the coin to the reverse side. You will see the wildebeest. This animal is not just a random choice. It represents the wildlife heritage of South Africa. The design is detailed and realistic, which makes it visually attractive. The denomination 5 Rand is clearly marked along with the designer initials once again. At first glance this might look like a normal circulation coin. But here is where things get interesting. Many viral claims online say this coin is worth $863 million. That number grabs attention instantly. It creates excitement. But we need to separate fact from hype. Let me explain how coin value actually works. A coin becomes extremely valuable when it has a combination of rarity, historical importance, mint errors, and strong collector demand. Without these factors, no coin reaches such extreme prices. So is the 1995 5 Rand coin rare? The answer is no in most cases. This coin was minted in large quantities for circulation. Millions of pieces were produced. That means it is not rare by default. Most examples you find will only be worth their face value or slightly higher depending on condition. Now let us talk about condition because this is very important. A coin in perfect, uncirculated condition can be worth significantly more than a worn coin. Collectors look for sharp details. No scratches. Original shine. If your coin looks brand new, then its value increases. Another important factor is mint errors. This is where things can get exciting. If a 1995 5 Rand coin has a rare error such as double striking, off-center design, missing details, or unusual metal composition, then its value can rise dramatically. Error coins are highly sought after because they are unique. However, even with errors, it is extremely unlikely for this coin to reach anything close to hundreds of millions of dollars. That kind of price is reserved for historically significant coins like early American rarities or one-of-a-kind mint mistakes from centuries ago. So why do people claim such high values? The answer is simple. Viral content. Many creators use exaggerated numbers to attract views. It creates curiosity. It makes people click. But as a serious collector or investor, you must always verify information through reliable sources. Now let us discuss the real market value. A regular 1995 South Africa 5 Rand coin in circulated condition is usually worth between a few dollars to slightly higher depending on demand. In uncirculated condition, it can reach higher values, especially if graded by a professional service. If you believe your coin is special, then you should take it to a professional coin dealer or grading service. They can examine it properly and give you an accurate value. Never rely only on online claims. Let me also give you a pro tip. Always check the edge of the coin. Look closely at the lettering and alignment. Sometimes small variations can indicate a rare type or error. Use a magnifying glass if possible. Serious collectors always inspect coins in detail. Another important aspect is market demand. Coin values change over time. If more collectors become interested in South African coins, then prices can rise. Global interest in wildlife-themed coins is also increasing, which can benefit coins like this one featuring the wildebeest. Now let us connect emotionally with the audience. Imagine finding this coin in your old collection. You hear it might be worth a fortune. Your heart starts racing. You check it under the light. You compare every detail. This is the thrill of coin collecting. It is not just about money. It is about discovery, history, and the possibility of finding something rare. But at the same time, you must stay realistic. Not every coin is a hidden treasure. Knowledge is your strongest tool. The more you learn, the better your chances of spotting something truly valuable. Let us summarize everything clearly. The 1995 South Africa 5 Rand coin is a beautiful piece with strong national symbolism. It features the coat of arms and the wildebeest, which represent unity and wildlife heritage. It was designed by Arthur L Sutherland. Most of these coins are common and not extremely valuable. Claims of hundreds of millions of dollars are not realistic. Only rare versions or perfect condition coins can have higher value. If you are serious about coin collecting, then start building knowledge. Study designs. Learn about minting processes. Follow market trends. And most importantly, keep checking your coins carefully. You never know when you might find something special. Before we end, I want to ask you something. Have you ever found a coin that you thought was valuable? Share your experience. Your story might inspire others in this community. Let us go even deeper into the world of this coin so you can fully understand how experienced collectors think and act when they come across a piece like the 1995 South Africa 5 Rand. Because the difference between an average collector and a smart collector is not luck. It is knowledge and patience. When you hold this coin in your hand, take a moment and really study it. Look at the coat of arms on the obverse side. Notice the fine lines, the symmetry, the way the design reflects national identity. Coins are not just currency. They are miniature pieces of art and history. Every detail has a purpose. Every symbol tells a story. Now shift your attention again to the wildebeest on the reverse. The texture of the animal. The posture, the movement captured in metal. These small artistic elements are what makes certain coins more desirable than others. A well-struck coin with sharp details will always attract more attention in the collector market. Here is something many beginners do not understand. Two coins of the same year and type can have completely different values. One might be worth a few dollars while another could be worth significantly more. The reason is grading. Professional grading services evaluate coins on a scale based on condition. Even the smallest difference in wear can change the grade, and therefore the price. For example, a coin with slight scratches or faded details may fall into a lower grade category. But a coin that looks almost untouched with full original luster can fall into a high grade category. High grade coins are rare because most coins were used in daily transactions and became worn over time. Now imagine you find a 1995 5 Rand coin that has never been circulated. It has sharp edges, clean surfaces, and strong shine. That coin already has more potential than millions of others. If on top of that it also has a mint error, then you are looking at something truly interesting. Let us talk a bit more about mint errors, because this is where real opportunities can appear. Errors happen during the production process at the mint. Sometimes the coin is struck twice. Sometimes the design is misaligned. Sometimes a part of the design is missing. These mistakes are not supposed to happen, which is exactly why collectors love them. But here is the key point. Not every unusual looking coin is a real error. Damage after minting can look similar to errors. That is why authentication is extremely important. A professional grading service can confirm whether a coin is a genuine mint error or just damaged. Another smart move is to compare your coin with verified examples. Look at high-quality images from trusted auction houses or collector databases. Study the differences carefully. This habit will train your eye and improve your ability to identify valuable features. Now let us talk about selling strategy, because value is not just about what a coin is worth. It is also about how you sell it. If you ever discover that your coin has higher value, do not rush to sell it immediately. Take your time. Research recent sales. Understand the market demand. Choose the right platform. Sometimes holding a coin for the right moment can increase your profit. Also remember, presentation matters. A coin that is properly stored and protected will always perform better in the market. Use coin holders or protective cases. Avoid touching the surface with bare hands because oils and dirt can reduce its quality over time. Small habits like these separate serious collectors from casual ones. Let me bring your focus back again to the viral claim of $863 million. At this point, you should clearly understand why such a number does not match reality. But instead of ignoring these claims, completely use them as motivation. They bring attention to coins. They encourage people to check their collections. And sometimes they lead to genuine discoveries. The smart approach is balance. Stay curious but stay logical. Be excited but stay informed. That is how you grow in this field. Now picture this scenario. Someone finds an old box of coins at home. Inside there are several South African coins, including the 1995 5 Rand. At first it looks ordinary. But after careful inspection they notice something unusual. Maybe the strike looks different. Maybe the alignment is off. That moment of discovery is what makes coin collecting so powerful. Even if the coin turns out to be common, the learning experience is valuable. Every coin you examine adds to your knowledge. Over time you start recognizing patterns. You start spotting details faster. And one day that knowledge might lead you to a truly rare piece. Before we close, let me give you a final expert checklist that you should always follow when evaluating any coin. Check the year and design carefully. Examine the condition under good lighting. Look for unusual features or possible errors. Compare with verified examples. And if something seems special, get it professionally evaluated. The 1995 South Africa 5 Rand coin may not be a hidden billion-dollar treasure. But it is still a meaningful collectible with history, design, beauty, and potential depending on its condition. And more importantly, it is a perfect starting point for learning how the coin market really works. If you enjoyed this deep breakdown and want more honest insights into coin values and hidden details, then stay connected with Coin Market Insider. This is where hype ends and real knowledge begins. Keep searching, keep learning, and always check your coins carefully. Your next discovery might be closer than you think.